Hi everyone, in today's I'm gonna explain to you how to fix Roblox error code 403. So I have here a list of ways that you can use to fix this problem. So the first one is to check if Roblox is down on down detector. So if the server is down, you can only wait until it's fixed. Check Roblox official social media accounts for updates on system outages. So if we go to down detector on Roblox, here you can see the state of the server. So you can see it was down on February 8th, and basically here, as you can see, it's still up and it's working fine. And another way is to restart your computer. So a quick reboot can resolve any temporary technical issues preventing you from connecting to Roblox. Restart your router and modem. So rebooting your network equipment will reset your internet so that you have the best connection possible. And if you can connect to the internet, you can play Roblox. And another one is to turn off your VPN and turn off your antivirus. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.